Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to send large files for free. Let's get started. So to send large files for free, I'm going to tell you some free websites. So simply open the Google Chrome. So the first website is Google Drive. So simply open the Google Drive. So here it is the Google Drive. From here you can share large files for free. So now I'm going to tell you about the next website. Open a new tab and type here pcloud and click on enter. Open the first link. First we have to create account here. So I'm going to create account here. Enter your password and check this box. I accept pcloud's terms and condition and click on create account. So you can see our account is created. So to share file, you have to first upload the file here. Here you can see the option of upload. Click on upload. Here you can see the option of browse for files. Click on browse for files. Select the file. For example, this file. So you can see the file is starts uploading. So our file is uploaded. Click on it. Now here is the file which we have uploaded. So click on share. So here it is asking us to verify your email first. So verify your email. Open your email. Click on verify. So you can see we have verified our email. So now click on share and from here copy link. Open Gmail. Click on compose. For example, I am going to send this file and click on send. So here you can see we have shared the file. Receiver can download the file by this link. So you can also share these files by using these all websites. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.